I'm sure my lawyer's sitting up there like, no, Jussie, no. No, shut the fuck up and sing. Daryl, I'm sorry. There's just a couple of points that I wanted to make really quick. Just because it's 4 points. I was bruised, but my ribs were not cracked. They were not broken. I went to the doctor immediately. Frank Gatson drove me. I was not hospitalized. Both my doctors in LA and Chicago cleared me to perform, but said to take care, obviously. And above all, I fought the fuck back. I'm the gay Tupac. I'm the gay Tupac. I'm the gay Tupac.
Big Sir. Y'all know how this shit go, you know. All eyes on me. Roll up in the club and shit. All eyes on me. Really, nigga?
What's good, y'all?
What up, what up? So marvelous in the fucking Hemi.
Boss Money Base, man. How y'all feeling, man?
Alright.
Hold on. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Do that. Share that with somebody, man.
Yep.
I mean, let's make that happen, man.
Turn notifications on too.
Do the good shit, man.
Alright.
Alright, man.
So
What we fucking with, bruh?
alright, so I know you know who Jussie Smollett is, eh? He's in the news right now. Hey, he's in the news right now. My opinion is he is the white woman of black people. And I'm gonna tell you why I say that. Every time there's a false accusation, it's usually white women doing it. You know what I'm saying? He went and he falsely accused of white people of hanging him. That's equivalent to a white
Woman.
I'm sorry, a white woman accusing a black man of
raping her.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
So, you know, he's the white women of black people. And he falsely accused the MAGA maniacs in MAGA country, falsely accused him trying to come up and for his own benefit. But the fucked up thing about it, he used black people for that cause, you know, for his own personal gain, financial gain. And I'll put it to you like this. I have no doubt in my mind that when it comes to false accusations, from my understanding, it's up to 3 years in penalties. I bet you we get all 3 of them years. All these white women that was out here accusing niggas of rape and ruin niggas' lives, they ain't get shit.
They ain't get nothing.
I look at things from different vantage points, right? From one vantage point, and the one that bothers me the most, I'm gonna fuck with that one the most, is the fact that now white people have been lying on us for years, have been gaslighting us for years, right? Have been twisting the story and projecting they shit on us for years, right? Now, the one time this nigga Jussie Smollett does this for his own gain, no one get hurt. No one's gonna go and lynch a bunch of white people based off of what a black homosexual goes out and says. But yet now white people using that and turn that around as a defense. Like, see, look, they're doing it to themselves. Look at that, we do what we do. No, the fuck we don't. We don't institutionalize no laws. We didn't create a jail, industrial prison complex. We didn't do none of that shit. That's what y'all did. And this little thing, and even though yes, it's fucked up, whatever, but y'all been doing that for years, and y'all white women doing that shit for even more years. Emmett Till, we all know who that is.
Definitely know
You know
who
what I'm
that
saying?
is, man.
Just off a false accusation, that man lost his life. That football player, off a false accusation of rape, that man lost his whole career.
Check that out in our last video.
You know what I'm saying? Nothing's gonna happen to no white people because of that, but something will happen to him. And we heard he just got arrested.
Yeah, something will definitely happen to him, man. Honestly, man, he's dead the fuck wrong, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I really think he's dead wrong, man. Right now, the climate you know, that we're in right now with, it's just crazy, man. I gotta, you know, I have a lot to say, but you know, I don't even want to go down the road of that, man. Like, all I can say is right now, the world is really fucked up, man. Yeah. Because if you can wake up and do shit like that and really act this whole shit out, make yourself the victim, and like you need help. Yeah. He don't need jail. Like, he really needs like some mental help, bro.
Right. Yeah, definitely.
You understand? Because honestly, all right, no problem. You know, they saying he tried to say it was some white people that did it.
Right.
You could have got somebody hurt, man.
That's the thing. Yeah.
An innocent life, man. You know, my shit is this. You know, we could take the color out the mix. You know, you could have hurt an innocent life, man.
Yeah.
You know, you could have had an officer that was ready to shoot on sight.
That's real. It's real.
When they found this made up character that they was looking for.
Think about that. Yeah, it's real. Yeah.
You understand? It's like you playing with lives when you do shit like this. Last video, like we said, you can ruin a life.
Yep.
Okay, what if they would have put a sketch together and caught a light-skinned guy?
Exactly.
You understand what I'm saying? Now, you got a hate crime. It's just a whole bunch of shit, man. Yeah. You know, and then that goes back to what we say, man. A lot of these homosexual people don't want equal rights.
They want special rights, yeah.
They want special rights and special privileges. And that right there is a prime example of him wanting a special privilege.
Yeah.
You want to be looked at different. Okay, no problem. I need them to see me in a different light. Or I got to make something out of this. Or this is going to make me a bigger star. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Yeah. You could have got somebody killed, bro.
That's real, yeah. Yep.
You understand what I'm saying? And then, honestly, the people that he hired, you could have got them clipped.
Could have got them, yeah, yep. And they were other black men.
You could have got them clipped out of cause, man. You know, at the end of the day, man, with me, I you know, I have much to say on this, but I don't have much to say on it, man. Gotcha. And you know, and that's just the bottom line, because I feel shit like that is wrong. You understand? Like, I've been behind the bars.
Yeah.
You know, I've been there. So for you to make a false accusation to put somebody else somewhere that they don't supposed to be. I met a lot of innocent soldiers, man. Yeah. A lot of people that was innocent, a lot of people that said they was innocent and wasn't innocent, but I met a lot of innocent people through my travels. Yeah. You understand what I'm saying, bro? Mm-hmm. And for you to put somebody there, that's crazy, man. Yeah. That's crazy.
For your own personal gain.
For your own personal gain.
What I heard was that they was actually writing him out the show, and I don't know, I didn't substantiate that from what I heard off of the radio. They were writing him out the show, and he wanted to have his segue his career and use this to platform the next part of his career, or to make it so hot for him that people keep him on the show so they continue to watch for ratings.
Everything, listen, you know we go back to, you know, what we said in our first video. Yeah, social media. Mm-hmm. Social media did that. In our first video, you know, we basically speak on social media, you know, ruining what's going on right now. And that's exactly what happened, my brother. Yeah. You know, that's what happened. Social media did this.
The way I feel is this, that bothers me, me personally, bothers me more than anything, is one, look at the timing of this shit, right? I was just talking to my man the other day, talking about that whole, you know, what's it called, the coolest monkey in the jungle with H&M.
Yeah, we were just talking about it.
On the little
Black History Month.
It happened around Black History Month. Yeah. Maybe it happened a couple of weeks before, but it was around this time. Now this year, we got this Jussie Smollett nigga, right? Then we got
Burberry.
We got
Gucci.
We got all this shit going on right now, but then you know what happened? We're so focused on this, and for Black History Month, we should be focused on our history, focus on our accomplishments, focus on what they did to us, institutionalized racism, focus on all that.
But they're focused on it. They're focused on making us look stupid.
Correct.
And you know what?
Yep.
They're doing it.
Yep. And they are. And also, the second thing that bothered me most about this shit with him is the fact that now they got excuse. They can look to Jussie Smollett and like, see, look, y'all lie too, just like us. No, the fuck we don't.
That's a fact. Y'all lie too, just like us. So we not fully wrong.
Yeah, yo, gaslight. It's like this. It's not equal. It's never equal. It's never balanced. And that she just giving the racist white people an excuse.
Another excuse.
I don't like that.
But listen, man. With that being said, man, y'all already know what it is, man. Subscribe, man.
Yep.
Share this video, man. You know, we just had to touch the topic, man.
Yep.
You know, we definitely had to touch the topic because we was thinking about it.
Yep.
You know, and
so now we want you to think.
We want you to think, man. Ask yourself, man. Was that wrong or right, man? You know what I mean? And do it without a color in your mind. You know what I mean? When you're thinking about him. But as far as what Omar was saying, it's just like, listen, man, we've been through a lot, man. They've been lying on us for forever. Forever.
Forever.
Forever. Yo, something got to change, man.
Yep. All right. On that note, we out.